Did you know that one of the most common metals creates geometric masterpieces that look like alien architecture? Bismuth metal, found in your stomach medicine, does something impossible when it cools down. It grows perfect stepped pyramid crystals that shimmer with rainbow colors. These aren't man-made, they form completely naturally. Here's the mind-blowing part. Most metals shrink when they solidify, but bismuth actually expands. This forces the cooling metal into intricate geometric steps, like nature's own skyscraper. The rainbow effect comes from thin oxide layers that bend light into interference patterns. Each crystal becomes a natural prism, splitting light into brilliant colors. The result looks so artificial that people assume they're manufactured, but these stepped pyramids form entirely on their own, following mathematical precision. The same bismuth and antacid tablets create some of the most stunning geometric art in nature. Sometimes the most beautiful mysteries hide in the most ordinary places.